Motivate India. We are going to talk about content today. You must have be reading a lot or listening about the usage of content is the king. Content is the king. It is very relevant today because we are unable to do any physical activity today. Earlier, we have been doing a lot of road shows, finance meets, many things we have been doing, and now because of the pandemic, we are unable to do any of these physical activities. So we have to depend for lead generation totally on the content which we are creating in our website. What do you do when you have a pain or you have a problem? You start searching. You depend on Google. So when you start searching, you stumble upon something, and then you get a lot of information which you are searching. How does this happen? There are thousands of contents, posts published by a lot of people. They continuously, they're trying to attract the customers for their products. They publish a lot of information. But these contents have to be relevant for you to attract the customers. How do they do? See, for example, matching, it should match the Google keywords and the phrases. You have to create from unaware to fully aware. Then only you will get more and more leads to your website, and from there it can go on to your pipeline or the sales funnel. So your contents should have a magnetic effect. A magnet pulls normally metallic things. So based on what you are posting, it should attract your customers. So there are few tips on how you do your contents. One, it should have a captivating headline to motivate the readers to read on further. And then second, it should have a captivating line for the reader to read on further. Then it should have an excellent copy what you are talking about, and it should have a call to action, CTA. That means after reading, the customer should follow some kind of an action. Then only it will get into your work from an unaware person to an aware person, and the lead is generated in your website. So the search engine, you should also remember that if you post images and videos, they score high on your search engine optimization. We did recently some experiments locally. One of my colleagues went to a dealership for a service. So waiting in the customer lounge, he carrying his 360-degree a camera which can take images of 360 degrees, video and images. He just casually took image of that particular facility and posted in the Google Images. By evening, the dealership confirmed that they got 8 new customers who were not in their original list. They came there for service. Similarly, while traveling within the city, we came across a new hospital, a high-tech hospital in the city. Within a week, the hospital authorities confirmed that they had more than 3,000 views on that particular image. So all this because of the 360-degree images posted in the Google. So it proves that Google gives a high rating for your images and videos. Now, the most important tip. For you to get more insights about the contents, what do? You already have a lot of existing customers. You should talk to them, and then if possible, a short interview with them on a video, asking them their buyer journey, how did they purchase your brand, or what is the entire buyer journey? If you ask them these kind of simple questions, they will tell you, okay, they from starting from scrap, when they thought of a need for the car, how did they start searching? How did they end up finally through different levels of awareness? How did they end up buying your product? Can you imagine what will be the outcome if these videos are posted on your website and other social media like your Facebook, your WhatsApp? So that is what you have to do. You are, most of the time we are neglecting our existing customers. Go for them, talk to them, find out what exactly led them to buy your product. We'll discuss further. Thank you.